In this video, I will guide you on how to enable microphone on Samsung keyboard. The first thing you want to do is launch open the settings on your device. Now scroll down and find General Management from here. Now find the option of Samsung keyboard settings, select that. Here you should be able to find voice input, tap on that. Now you want to choose Samsung voice input as your default voice input method. Then go back to general management. Here you want to tap on keyboard list and default. Now you want to make sure you toggle on the button of keyboard button on navigation bar. Now open any app where you can type message. For example, you want to open the Notes app. Now go ahead and open your keyboard. Now you're going to find the voice input at the bottom left corner of your screen. You can simply tap on that and start speaking. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.